Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to show you guys how to actually place your outboard motor in your inflatable boat. Let's get to it. Well, the main reason why I'm making this video is because a lot of the viewers here in this channel have asked me how do you place the outboard either with the wheels or if the wheels are too short or no wheels whatsoever, because you guys are afraid to actually be scraping the bottom of the outboard, the fin. You don't want to be breaking it or scratching the paint. So I'm gonna go over a few tips because the outboard is made for that. So let me show you. All right, so for starters, what I'm going to do first is to do it with the wheels on. I will show you guys what it looks like. Now, there are different transom wheels you can actually install. There are some that are long, some that are short. Mine happen to be long enough to be able to keep this outboard elevated from the floor. This is a short shaft, by the way. This is a 15-inch shaft, and there is plenty of clearance, see? Now, it all depends what kind of transom wheels you have. Now, the question that I get the most is, what happens if the transom wheels are too short or you have no transom wheels? Let's go over that right now. Okay, so right now, I have the outboard on the floor. This is assuming that you take it out of your car, you put it on the floor, you lay it on the side of the tiller. Primarily, most outboards you need to lay it on the side of the tiller. You guys see this bracket right here? So, what we're going to do, I'm going to extend it out. First, you gotta make sure that the outboard is on forward gear. And you guys will see that this suddenly releases if you pull on it, like so, see? Now, if for some reason or the other this bracket is too tight, you guys cannot pull it, I'm gonna show you how to get it loosened up. Right on the bracket, you guys gonna notice there is a bolt right here that goes across. See this entire bolt? And here's the nut that holds it. If you were to get a ratchet and loosen, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, if you were to loosen it up, it'll loosen up this bracket. However, you don't want to have it too loose. Otherwise, whenever you mount the outboard on the transom, it'll shake way too much. So there's gotta be some tension. Just find the tension that works best for you, for your strength and all that. All right, so once you have the bracket extended, you can actually bring in the outboard, twist it, and it gets into place, giving you plenty of distance from the transom shaft and the floor itself. This also works if you have very, very, very short wheels. Because right now I just mounted it, without, with the wheels on. Let's do it without the wheels or make it shorter. Okay, the procedure without the wheels, it is similar. Right now you want to have clearance, obviously. Let's assume that you have very short transom wheels or no wheels at all. You plan to use a dolly or a friend to help you pick it up. You go ahead and place it. Go ahead and tighten up the bracket. And there you go. So now you have plenty of clearance, as you can see. So the main thing you want to take out of this video is learn how to play with the bracket. Make sure that the engine is on forward gear. See if you can actually pull it away from you. If for some reason or the other you cannot pull away, you can actually loosen up the nut, but don't loosen it up too much, okay guys? Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. Hope this helped you guys a lot because a lot of you have asked about this specific scenario. I figure I'll make a video and show you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.